My name's Tully, and we're here at the Drone World Congress in Shenzhen, China. And I'm here talking with your name.
My name is Jeppe Solmer, and I'm the Regional Director for Invest in Denmark in Asia. I'm located in Shanghai.
So we just talked briefly, and your mission right now is to help Chinese investors invest in Denmark, correct?
That's correct. We actually promote Danish competences within drone technologies and drone solutions.
And so the part that's really interesting is Denmark has what you refer to as a drone cluster, which is a airport converted into basically a drone center with designated airspace just for drones, and they're doing a lot of drone development.
Yes, we actually have what we call Odense Robotics, and part of Odense Robotics is actually a drone business part, and they have their own incubator facility in an old airport, and there's actually space just for testing drone technologies. And quite clear this near to this incubator facility, we also have a university. So we actually have all the elements you need to develop business solution for the drone sectors.
So this is a huge opportunity for Chinese drone manufacturers to work with Denmark, and that way they can use Denmark drone expertise on the software side, and then Chinese manufacturing to build, large-scale, successful drone industry.
So a lot of foreign companies are actually using Denmark as a kind of test bed, because we have so specific competences in this area to develop business solution and see. And quite often after they have developed the solution, then they actually bring the solution back to China, but also quite a lot of companies, they actually afterwards spread it worldwide. The Chinese market is quite interesting in this sense.
Do you happen to know any of the names of the people who are working in Denmark right now, like the other companies?
Then we have to ask my colleagues.
Oh, okay, all right, no problem. Okay.
But we have a couple of smaller drone companies. I think 10 to 12 smaller drone companies.
Okay.
So, and later we will actually show the video at this conference to present this drone cluster in Odense, in Denmark.
All right, very cool. All right, well, thank you very much for talking with me.
Welcome.